Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Zuleka binti Zulkifli. Nama matrik S72376 from K2. Today, I would like to explain about topic main group chemistry for the course CHM3302, Basic Inorganic Chemistry, and my lecturer's name is Dr. Muhammad Uwaisul Karni bin Osman. As we all know, non-metals are the elements which form negative ions by accepting organic electrons. Non-metals usually have 4, 5, 6 or 7 electrons in their outermost shell. For the example of non-metallic elements are carbon, nitrogen, bromine, sulfur and phosphorus. For their physical property, we can break into 4 points, which are brittle, malleability, ductility, and conductor for electricity and heat. Non-metals can be drawn into sheets and break when applying pressure. That's why we call it brittle. For the malleability, non-metals are unable to be hammered into thin sheets. This signifies the lack of property of malleability. For the ductility, non-metals have no ductility. It is because they are unable to be attracted into wires. For the conductivity of electricity or heat, non-metals is a poor conductor of electricity and heat, except for graphite. For the chemical properties of non-metal, there are 4 types, which is react with water or acids, react with bases, react with oxygen, and react with metal. For the reaction with water or acids, non-metal not react with water or acids. For the reaction with bases, non-metal react with bases to form complex salts and water. For example, when chlorine react with a base like sodium hydroxide, it gives multiple products like sodium hydrochloride, sodium chloride, and water. Next, for the reaction with oxygen, non-metal react with oxygen to form a non-metal oxide. For example, sulfur react with oxygens to form sulfur dioxide. Lastly, reaction with metal. Non-metal react with metal to form ionic compound such as sodium chloride. For the uses of non-metal, we can take a look at 5 examples. Non-metals is used for the preparation of ammonia, nitric acid, and fertilizers using nitrogen. For the equation is NH4Cl react with NaOH to form NaCl plus H2O plus NH3, which is ammonia. Other than that, we can use chlorine, which is non-metal, to purify the water. For example, Cl2 plus H2O form HOCl plus H plus Cl minus. We can also use hydrogen, which is non-metal, to be a rocket fuel. Other than that, carbon can be used to make pencils when it is in the graphite form. And lastly, sulfuric acid is prepared using sulfur, which is non-metal. For example, sulfur plus oxygen forming sulfur dioxide. And then we can decompose sulfur dioxide to obtain sulfur trioxide. And the step 3 is form the reaction between sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid to produce oleum. And then slowly dilute the oleum to attain concentrated sulfuric acid. The reason I chose this topic, it is because this topic easy to understand, and this topic don't have too much calculations, and this topic consists a periodic table that I managed to understand. That's all. Thank you.